Tools are a very common part of everyday life. We use hand and power tools at home and on the job for a variety of reasons. Tools are very useful if used properly. If not, they can be very dangerous. If you have ever had a wrench slip from a bolt and scraped your knuckles, or hammered your finger instead of the nail, you know the pain that can occur from a simple mishap. Unfortunately, more serious injuries can and do occur with the use of such tools. The purpose of this video is to provide information about basic safety rules, procedures, and safeguards associated with hand and power tools. By being aware of the possible dangers and hazards of working with hand and power tools and knowing how to protect yourself, you can more easily avoid or eliminate tool-related accidents. This video will cover the following hand and power tool topics: hazards, general safety precautions, personal protective equipment, guarding, controls and switches, types of hand and power tools, training and emergency procedures. Employees that use hand and power tools are faced with many possible hazards. Serious accidents with hand and power tools can occur before steps are taken to identify and avoid or eliminate tool-related hazards. Hand and power tools can lead to a variety of injuries. Among them are scrapes, bruises, breaks, punctures and cuts, hearing problems, being struck by falling, flying, abrasive and/or splashing objects, breathing in or coming into contact with harmful dusts, fumes, mists, vapors, and/or gases, which can result in respiratory problems, electrical shock and burns, falls, or possible death. The safety of everyone on the job site is the driving factor behind all safety training, rules, procedures, and regulations. Employers and employees should work together to establish safe working procedures and a safe working environment. Any unsafe working condition or tool should immediately be reported to your supervisor. Unsafe working conditions must be corrected before work continues. Never use a damaged or malfunctioning tool. Damaged tools should be taken out of use until properly repaired or destroyed and discarded. There are basic safety rules that should be followed to help prevent hazards associated with the use of hand and power tools. First, keep tools in good working condition through regular maintenance. Second, always use the right tool for the job. Third, inspect tools for damage before use. Remove damaged or non-functioning tools from service. Tag or lock out any tool that is not working until it is repaired. Fourth, never attempt to repair damaged tools yourself. Only the manufacturer or an approved repair shop should be used for repairs. Fifth, use tools according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Always read the instruction guide before first use. Sixth, use appropriate personal protective equipment at all times. And finally, keep floors and work areas clean and dry to prevent slips, trips, and falls, and other accidents. Always keep your own work area clean and organized.